So, cords, messes, how do you fix it? Stick around, let's see what I did. I'm Ron and this is my place. So now that I made a big mess of all these cables, I'll deal with them later. I had an issue where I was trying to get some cables and I needed to pull one out, and as always they ended up becoming this gnarled mess. And because I was already messing with a new software from a video you saw previous, I decided to give it a shot and try and print some out. And I did. And then on top of it, I decided, okay, well, I could just put each one of them. I could have made a long one, but I decided to make a bunch of little smaller ones, and it's what I ended up with. And then I didn't want to put a bunch of holes in my wall. So then I thought, wow, this could be a kind of a neat thing to go back out in the wood shop. So it's not very fancy, but I ended up grabbing a piece of oak, cutting it up, putting a nice edge on it, squared everything up, printed out a bunch of sets of these hooks, screwed them onto there, and I think it turned out really, really nice. So I think it turned out very nice. And for those of you that like the chamfered edges, we'll call this a wood fillet. But yeah, so there you go. Nice little wood backing, a couple little countersunk holes with all my printed pieces. I took some video of the of when I was out in the shop as well, so we'll check that out. I printed the hooks on the Prusa i3 Mark III and sliced them in Prusa edition of Slick 3R, not to be confused with Slicer, or it being a slicer named Slick 3R or Slicer Prusa anyway. And it printed out really well. This is the result from that iPad design program. I liked it. We'll see. I don't know how much I'll really use it, but I thought it was interesting. I printed it in MakerGeeks Mint PLA. It just happened to have been what was on the printer at the time, and I think it looks well with the clear finish of walnut. Oh, excuse me, oak. I was going to do walnut, and I changed my mind because it was going to be too dark. So yeah, I like it. It looks good. It's nice and mountable. I'm hanging on the wall, and if I need to move it, I can. It's only 2 holes instead of a whole bunch. So there you go. Another practical print. I got a stream of them going here. So enjoy and take a look, see how I made it in the shop. When you get done with that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Hit the like button if you like it. Dislike, let me know why. Visit some links that I got down below down there. They'll help out the channel. And otherwise, print everything you can. Have a good night.